Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Allure box for May 2020. Before I go ahead and get into it, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. If you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, but it helps me out a lot. So if you would like to hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it. And if you have any comments while you're watching, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below. I am currently planning for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you would be interested in being entered into that, you will have to be subscribed. So go ahead and hit subscribe now so that when I do hit 1,000 subscribers, you will already be ready and you can come and watch my video really easily. So let's go ahead and get into my Allure beauty box for May 2020. I did already pop it open and sneak a peek at the card, not the products, but the card, the little booklet in here to see what was in it. And I do have a full face of makeup because I don't remember there being, I think there might be one makeup product in here, I think. Maybe, yes, there's only one. So, all right, let's go ahead and open this up. And that is what the box looks like when you first open it. So, did I get the one beauty product that was supposed to be in here? Not beauty product, but makeup product. I don't have the only makeup product that's supposed to be in here. Okay, yes I did. We'll get there. We'll get there. All right. I'm going to pull the thing out that's on the top. This is from Allure. Let's see. The theme for this month is Got to Glow. So let me see if I can find it. Okay, there it is. So this is the Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. I don't know what that means. The name might have you thinking you'll squeeze the reflective tube and get rainbow glitter gunk. Something like that. What you'll actually get, a brilliant exfoliating cleanser. It goes on as a cream, thickening as you rub it in. Then, with water, it turns into a foam that cleans without leaving skin squeaky. And unicorn root? It's also known as Electris farinosa root extract, which may help brighten skin. The formula has a dose of glycolic acid too, though, which is well proven to brighten skin. I use it when I want a little skin refreshing chemical exfoliation without any risk of irritation or tingling. So you can get it at Allure.com. Enter code Allure25 at checkout to receive 25% off of your order from May 1st through June 30th. All right, I did find the makeup product. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway because I do already have it. This is the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. So this is a sample. You can buy it at Ulta.com. I think I actually got a full size of this. I got some sort of VDL primer full size relatively recently here. And this, like I said, is a little sample. So I am going to be putting this in my giveaway drawer for one of you all. You could have gotten this or you could have gotten an ABH Clear Brow Gel. And I actually think I have one of those in my drawer too. So this is the VDL Lumalayer Primer. The first time I saw this K-Beauty primer was at a masterclass with makeup artist Nam Vo. She concentrates it on the high points of the face with a technique she calls underpainting. She blends foundation on top, then paints the primer onto the same areas again, all to create the glowiest, glassiest skin possible. After I tried this trick myself, I completely ditched my usual highlighter. This primer's pearlescent finish gives skin a reflective sheen. In seconds, I was as bright and poreless as a K-pop star. Price is $32. You can buy it at Ulta.com. Let me see if this is the one I have. Hold on one second. All right, so maybe I'm confused. I don't have this. Maybe I did in the past because I do remember a VDL primer. I did just recently do a VDL foundation review. I'm pretty sure that's already posted. Fairly certain that's already posted. But I remember getting a VDL primer before, and I might have decluttered it recently in my most recent declutter video. Or not my most recent declutter video, but my most recent primer declutter video. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out here. This is from AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. This is a big bottle. It's a whole ounce. So this is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. You know that feeling when you're when you've finally been let in on a secret, it's a mix of pride at graduating to the inside and a bit of WTF, why didn't you tell me sooner? I don't know that feeling. That was my reaction when I first learned of the eye cream that millions of Korean women love. AHC's Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. It's as concentrated, creamy, and gentle as a traditional eye cream. But the intention is that you use it to moisturize anywhere on the face. It becomes one of my pre-concealer favorites because it settles invisibly into the fine lines around my eyes and mouth so that my makeup doesn't. It's also a travel essential. I can pack this and skip moisturizer altogether. In Korea, there's a new formula for the AHC eye cream for face every year. Now, American shoppers are also in on the secret. That's interesting. All right, it is sealed, but that's different. I think that's different. That's neat. Okay. Sorry, I just filmed another video before this, and my throat is very dry. Okay, next item here is from Curology. It is the Smooth Sailing Way More Than a Moisturizer. So, this is Curology the moisturizer. If moisturizing is so simple, why are there 7 million different options? And why do they use so many words? What am I replenishing exactly? And I do not need to activate my youth. But thank you for thinking of me. I tend to trust moisturizers that offer themselves up simply and humbly, like Curology the moisturizer. The texture, which hovers somewhere in the space between whipped cream and Jell-O, is pillowy, spreadable, and buildable. This is a moisturizer with no extra bells or whistles or vague healing benefits, but it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Genius can be simple. So you can pick this up at Curology.com/Allure to receive 1 free month of the full Curology set, which includes cleanser, moisturizer, and a custom treatment cream from May 1st through July 20th of 2020. Now, I don't know if you need to buy something to get that or not, but you can always go to Curology.com/Allure to receive 1 free month of the full Curology set. I don't know. If you're curious, check it out. All right. Next up is this item. Well, that's heavy. That's heavy. It is 3/4 of an ounce. No, not 3/4 of an ounce. 2/3 of an ounce. 0.67. And this is the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. Apparently the bottle is cute. At least in the picture, it's super cute. So that's the box, but it is super cute, and it's actually like little particles suspended in like this gel texture. Can you guys see that, or is my lighting too bright? I think you can see that. That is super cute, and it is actually like little molecules suspended in the gel. That's pretty. Okay, this is the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. If Dr. Seuss had a skincare line, all the products would resemble the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. It's dotted with colorful encapsulated molecules of moisturizing hyaluronic acid, illuminating vitamin A, and clarifying chlorella. I apply a pea-size amount directly on my forehead and add 2 more drops on each cheek. I massage it in and watch the pink and blue encapsulations burst and blend away. With this serum, my usually dry complexion is bouncy and hydrated long past lunch. I've layered my daily dose of glow under makeup and SPF every day since, and I've started to notice that the overall tone and texture of my skin seems perkier. You can buy this at iloveskininc.com. The price on this is $65. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off of your order from May 1st through August 1st. That's expensive. That's expensive. All right, there's one more item in this box. Go ahead and pull it out. This is what it looks like. It is When Glamour Base Biocellulose Sheet Mask. So you can tell everything this month is skincare, skincare, skincare. So this is the When Glamour Base Sheet Mask. If you're feeling dried out or dull, this mask is the perfect little wake-up call. In addition to hyaluronic acid, it has collagen and peptides. There was a period in there and I skipped it over. So skin is left hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. If you're one of the many people who find that sheet masks always slip off your face, this mask's jelly consistency adheres flush to the skin, ensuring that all of those rich serums are really doing their thing. Cool fact, it's actually made from coconuts. All right. With this mask in my morning routine, all I'm feeling is dewy and bright. So you can buy it at whenbeautyus.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off regular priced items from May 1st through July 10th. So that is my Allure box for May 2020. I normally prefer to have a little bit more of a balance between makeup and skincare. So obviously we're focusing on skincare this month. Not my favorite, but the products seem interesting. So I got the jelly face mask, the moisturizer, the serum, the expensive serum, which I do have to give a try. Like, I'm gonna have to give that a try. The AHC Essential Eye Cream for the face, which is interesting as well. The VDL Lumi Layer Primer, which I swear I had this before. I swear I did. I had some sort of VDL primer. And then the Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. So I got a cleanser, a moisturizer, a serum, a mask, an eye cream, and a primer. So pretty much everything you would need to start your day off, other than makeup, which I don't wear makeup every day. I should do more skincare every day, which I don't, and I should. Anyway, that is my Allure box for May 2020. I normally prefer, I think I just said this a second ago, but I'm going to repeat myself because I'm me. So I normally prefer more of a mix of skincare and makeup. However, I'm not disappointed in this box. It's not my favorite by any stretch. I'm not going to even try to say that, but I'm not like overtly disappointed either. Does it make sense? I hope it makes sense. It's not terrible, but I do wish I would have gotten at least a little bit like of makeup, if that makes sense. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Helps me out tremendously. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.